can't wait for you to come my way. I've been.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel in Muma. And so I wasn't active. I was very inactive for this past 2-3 months. So I'm very sorry to all my subscribers and viewers, like the people who view my videos. So I'm back again with a vlog. So I just thought that let's start the vlog with me tearing a ice cream packet. So I was very struggling to open this ice cream packet, as you can see, but I finally opened it. So hope you enjoy the video, but before starting the video or after watching the video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and give a big thumbs up, and follow me on my social media, which is Instagram. So yeah, enjoy the video. Let's clean the mess before we start studying. So today I'm thinking of actually studying like late night session up to like 1 or 2 o'clock. So hopefully if I do that, I will tag you guys along with me. And also why I'm studying at night, because in the morning I didn't study because my dog was barking. So I just got vaccinated, so that's why my hand was so paining. This hand is still it is paining. So I'm just gonna do a study. Hopefully if I get my things done at the time. And now I'm gonna fill my water and make coffee. I'm gonna study a bit later. Now it's 6:15 or 6:16 is clock. So I'm gonna start studying at 8 o'clock because I have some work to do right now. My mom is making chicken, so I'm helping her to make the chicken, and also some other chores to make myself active and productive. And after that I'm gonna start studying. Okay, this is the headphone my brother gave me on my birthday. It's such a cute headphone. As you can see, it's from Jabronics. Such a cute headphone. I just love the tail blue color of this, like the mint color, not tail, the mint color. And like in this video, or might be in another video, I'm gonna make a video on, like in this video I'm gonna show you, or in separately also, it depends on the mood, that I'm gonna show you what I got on my birthday. So be prepared for that. So let's just clean this mess right now.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
let's clean this mess right now. So clean the mess with me.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So here is Botu and me, and now I'm gonna eat this chicken roll, which was kind of delicious and not that much. So I'm just gonna eat it anyway because I was hungry at that time. So yeah, let's start the video again. This coffee is good, at the same time not good. It's just in a medium, so we're just gonna go through it. But let me just hydrate myself with this cute unicorn sipper. Great. So now I'm gonna make my to-do list and then I'm gonna start studying.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
They are so cute while eating. Just look at them, Luchi. And here is Botu. She's just so cute.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the
So hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. So I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ignore the dogs barking. And also don't forget to keep yourself hydrated. I just hydrated myself because it is summer. Water is very important. And I was doing maths right now. It's just like every subject is just same, but it's like every subject is just exhausting. But still I did maths. I was doing some homework. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye.